So now solve few more problem. Solve this. Sum of two integers. Sum of two integers. Sum of two integers is minus 78 if one of them is 39, 35. Find the other. Find the other. Find the other. Then the product of two rational numbers. The product of two rational numbers you have to solve this problem. Sumit, you have appeared to the examination. Sumit Rajpurohit. Okay, the product of two rational numbers. The product of two rational numbers. The product of two rational numbers is 240 if one of them is minus 20. Find the other. You have to solve all these problems because these are the basic from integer rational number. Then third evaluate minus 5 by 7 minus 5 upon 7 divided by 30 upon minus 42. Start solving this. 3, then fourth. Convert the fraction. 3 upon 7 with denominator 56. Then fifth one. The cost of 13 pence. The cost of 13 pence is rupees 169. Find the cost of 1 pen. Find the cost of 1 pen. The seventh is evaluate. 6 months. Evaluate. 8/3 into 12/-4 into -3/5. Find out. Yes, the cost of 13 pen is rupees 169. Find the cost of 1 pen. The cost of 13 pen is 169 is to 1/2. Yes, let me change the question. This 16 is 2 is the cost of 13 pen is 2 is to 2 is to 2 is to 2 is to 2/12. 2 is to 2/12. Question I came. Let's start solving. So yesterday you appeared the examination of 25 marks. Yes? So things are very fresh. Solve this. Yes, Krishang, how was the exam? Krishang. Easy. How many questions attempted out of 10 questions? All 10 questions. And how much question you are confident that these will be my correct answer? 9. Out of 10 you are expecting 9 to be correct. Very good. Very good. Start solving. Then Rajal Dangar, 7C, roll number 7C, roll number 6. Rajal Dangar. How was the exam yesterday? Okay, easy. So how much you are expecting? Okay, okay. So you are fully confident about 20 marks? Okay, let us see. Then 7th D, roll number 33, Suryan Singh. Yes, how was the exam yesterday? Very easy. How many questions attempted? 10 out of 10. And how much you think that these will be correct? 22 marks you are expecting. Okay. Okay, solve this. Solve this 6th question. Maths you have to keep on practicing. Near about 70 to 80 problems we have covered in the revision. Those things I have shared in the group also, as well as in the remedial group. Then Jayashree Bhatti, how was the exam? 7th A, nice. How many questions you attempted? All questions attempted. How much you are confident? 7 questions. Okay. Very good. Fourth one. No, my dear. This is the fraction, no? numerator upon numerator upon denominator. This is one problem of fraction I had given. You have to make denominator 7 as 56. So you will multiply 7 by which number? Ade my dear, 7 will become 56. When? How 7 will become 56? 7 8 ja. So you will multiply denominator by 7. So numerator also you will multiply denominator by 8. 7 8 ja. So you will multiply numerator also by 8. That will be the answer. We are studying fraction, no? Yes. Then 7th E, roll number 9. Roll number 3, sorry. Krisha Chaudhary. Present? Krisha? So, 7th E, roll number 3, no? Seventh E, roll number 20, Krishang. Then 7th E, Krisha Chaudhary is not there. Krisha. Yes, Krisha has joined. So Krisha is there, then let her respond. Yes, Krisha Chaudhary. You respond, otherwise I will have to mark absent. Because this is the remedial class where you have to participate in problem solving. Chalo, solve this fast. Take 2 more minutes. After that we will discuss. Yes. Then Vinayak Singh, 7th D, roll number 31. 7th D, roll number 31. Yes. Then Sumit Rajpurohit. Then 7th C, roll number 16, Deepika Manna. Present. Okay. How was the exam? Yesterday's maths exam. Yes. 7C, roll number 16. I am asking. Easy. How many questions attempted? Full paper. How many you are confident? You must be confident of this much question I am getting correct. Anyhow, exam is over. Now nothing can be done. You focus on the coming exam. Okay? See, first of all, remedial does not mean that you are weak. Remedial means these students, we have to practice the problem, that's all. So I consider all of you good in maths. Only the thing is we have to practice a lot of problem additional. Yes. On the YouTube we have uploaded so many videos. So all of you go through the videos on the YouTube, because each and every period video I am uploading there. Hello, 1 more minute, then we will continue. Krishang, how many completed? How much? Prashant. Last question. Rajal Dangar, 7C, how? Fourth one. Okay. Do it fast. Then 7th D, roll number 33, Suryan Singh. You are on which question? Out of 6 questions. Fifth one. Okay, very good. Do it fast. Then Jayashree Bhatti, 7th A, roll number 2. Jayashree. How many you have completed? You are on which question number? Third one. Do it fast. Third one. Very good. Then Krisha Chaudhary, 7th E, roll number 3. Krisha Chaudhary, if this time you will not give the response, then I will mark absent. Because it seems that you are there in the group. You are there for the session, remedial session, but you are not giving any response. Okay, so finally I am marking you absent. Okay. Then Binayak Singh, 7th D, roll number 31. Present? Binayak Singh. Binayak Singh. No response. Okay. Then Sumit Rajpurohit. Sumit Rajpurohit. You give the response. Otherwise, do not think that you will be marked present. You have to actively participate. Deepika Manna, 7th C, roll number 16. Which question you are? You are on which question? Second question. Chalo theek hai. Second question. Complete it first. Let us discuss first one. What is the answer? Bolo. Minus 43 is absolutely wrong answer, my dear. Minus 43 is absolutely wrong answer. Minus 43 is wrong answer. The sum of two integers is minus 78. If one of them is 35, find the other. My dear, you go by the rules. Sum of two integers. So let me discuss. First integer plus second integer. What do you mean by sum? Sum means plus. It is minus 78. Okay. So first integer plus second integer is minus 78. Now one of them is 35. So first integer is 35. Find the other. Other we consider x. That is minus 78. So what is that equation? 35 plus x is equal to minus 78. 35 plus x is equal to minus 78. Okay. So now before equal to, it is my left. Before equal to, it is my left hand side. And after equal to, it is my right hand side. In left hand side, 35 is having which sign? Yes? No sign means plus sign. So when I will take this plus 35 on the right hand side, sign will change. So x will be minus 78, minus 35. Minus 78, minus 35. Now what is sign of 78? Minus. What is sign of 35? Minus. Minus minus means same sign. Minus minus means same sign. Whenever they have same sign, you have to add the number. You have to add the number and take the common sign. You have to add the number and take the common sign. So common sign of minus minus will be minus. So 78 plus 35. 8 plus 5 is 13. 7 plus 3 is 10. Plus 1, 113. Answer is minus 113. Answer is minus 113. Yes, understood? Yes. This is plus 35. When I will take 35 on the right hand side, plus 35 will become minus 35. So minus 78 minus 35. 78 has minus sign, 35 has minus sign, minus minus same sign. Whenever you have same sign, you have to add the number and take the common sign. Minus minus common sign will be minus. 78 plus 35 is 113. So answer is minus 113. Answer is minus 113. Yes, understood everybody? Yes, Krishang, Rajal, Suryansh, Jayashree, then Deepika, Manna. Understood? Answer is minus 113. Yes. Now go for the second. In the same way we will see the second. So what do you mean by product? What do you mean by product? Multiplication. Product means yes. So product means multiplication. This you remember. Product means multiplication. Into. Product means multiplication. So always in mathematics, whatever is given, you form the equation. Make the habit of forming the equation. So product of two rational numbers. So first rational number, product means multiplication into second rational number. The product is given how much? 240. So first rational number into second rational number is 240. Because it is given a product. What do you mean by sum? Yes. What do you mean by sum? Plus. What do you mean by difference? Difference. Minus. Subtraction. What do you mean by quotient? Division. So remember there are four terms. Remember there are four terms. Remember there are four terms. Plus means sum. Plus means sum. Difference means subtraction. Difference means subtraction. Product means multiplication. Okay. So the product of two rational number is 240. So first rational number into second rational number is 240. One of them is minus 20. So first rational number is minus 20. What is the other? Other we consider x is 240. So now before equal to it is my left hand side. Before equal to it is my left hand side, and after equal to it is my right hand side. Before equal to left hand side, after equal to right hand side. Now whenever we change the side, now minus 20 is there in the multiplication. So when I will take minus 20 of left hand side on the right hand side, minus 20 will go in the division. It's there. Minus 20 is there in the multiplication. Minus 20 is there in the multiplication. So when you will take minus 20 on the right hand side, minus 20 will go in the division. And see here, sign will remain same. Minus will remain minus because this is multiplication, my dear. Minus 20 will remain minus 20, but minus 20 will go in the division. Yes or no? So what you will get? X. You will get x is equal to 240 divided by minus 20. Minus 20 will go in the division because minus 20 is there in the multiplication on left hand side. Now you can cancel. 0, 0 get cancelled. then 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 12. Okay, so what is the answer? So answer is 12 upon minus 1. Minus sign is there in the denominator, no? 12 upon minus 1. So plus upon minus, plus upon minus. We have seen the division. We have seen the division table, my dear. Plus upon plus is plus. Plus upon minus is minus. Minus upon plus is minus. Minus upon minus is plus. This division table you remember. So now we have plus upon minus. Plus upon minus will be minus. So x is minus 12. So the other rational number is minus 12. The other rational number is minus 12. Yes, clear? This part is clear. So this table of division you remember. Plus upon plus, plus, plus upon minus, minus, minus upon plus, minus, minus upon minus, plus. Third one answer is not negative. Third one answer is positive, not negative. Yes. Third one answer will be positive, not negative. Third one answer will be positive. Okay, let us see how it has come. Minus 5 by 7. Minus 5 by 7. Minus 5 upon 7 divided by 30 upon minus 42. Okay. So this is division of two rational numbers. We have seen in the A divided by B by C, A by B divided by C by D. I can write A by B. When I will convert division into multiplication, then what we do? Yes, tell me. We are writing division into multiplication. Then we take reciprocal of the second. Reciprocal. C by D I will write D upon C. Yes. So that will be A into D. Whenever you write division into multiplication, you have to take reciprocal of the second, not reciprocal of both. First rational number you will keep as it is. Then when you will write division into multiplication, you have to take reciprocal of the second. So reciprocal of C by D will be D by C. Reciprocal means interchange numerator and denominator. Now this is multiplication of two rational number. How you multiply two rational number? Multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. Okay. So whenever you have division of two rational number, then you have to write down division as multiplication and take reciprocal of the second. Then this is multiplication of two rational number. This is multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Let us see what it will come. So minus 5 by 7, yes. What you will write is minus 5 by 7. Then division I will write multiplication. Then what it will be? Tell me. Minus 42 upon 30. Okay. So this is multiplication of two rational numbers. So multiply numerator to numerator. Minus 5 into minus 42 upon 7 into 30. Let us cancel the terms of numerator with denominator. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. Then 7 ones are 7, 7 6 are 42. So what is the answer? Then we can cancel 6 6 also. Then what is left? The left is minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, no? What is multiplication of minus minus? Minus minus become plus. Minus minus become plus. Then 1 into 1, 1. So plus 1 means answer is 1. Plus 1 is same as 1. Plus 1 is same as 1. Okay? Plus 1 is same as 1. Now do the fourth one. Do the fourth one. Do the fourth. 27 upon 56, wrong answer. 27 up. 27. 24 upon 56, my dear. Not 27 upon 56. Okay. So, fraction means, remember, fraction means numerator upon denominator. Fraction means numerator upon denominator. The upper part is numerator, lower part is denominator. So now we want to convert the fraction 3 upon 7 to the fraction whose denominator is 56. So numerator we have to find. You have to find numerator. So now see the denominator. Fraction 3 upon 7 becomes numerator upon 56. That means denominator 7 I have converted to 56. So how you will convert 7 into 56? Yes? How you will convert 7 into 56, my dear? Multiply by 8. So I have multiplied denominator by 8. 8 sevens are 56. So I have to multiply numerator also by 8. So what is 3 8s are? 24. So answer is 24 upon 56. 24 upon 56 is the answer. Okay. Do fifth one. The cost of 13 pennies 2 is to 1 by 12. Find the cost of 1 penny. Sixth one. Evaluate minus 8 by 3 into 12 upon minus 4 into minus 3 upon 5. Chalo, solve fifth one. Solve fifth one. Solve fifth one. Yes, solve fifth one. Solve fifth one. The cost of 13 pen. 13 pen cost is 2 is to 1 by 2 is to 2 by 12. What you can write 2 is to 2 by 12? This is a mixed fraction, no? So you have to multiply 12 to 2, add 2. So that is 12 into 2 plus 2 upon 12. 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 2, 26 upon 12. So 2 is to 1 by 2 by 12, I can write 26 upon 12. Okay. So cost of 13 penny is 26 by 12. Cost of 13 pen is 26 by 12. So what is the cost of 1 pen? I have to divide this. 26 by 12. I have to divide by 13. But we have seen when you convert division into multiplication, then what you do? Yes, so this will be 26 upon 12. Then multiplied by, what is the reciprocal of 13? 1 by 13. Then 13 you can cancel, 13 2s are 26. Then 12, 2 6 are 12. So answer is 1 by 6. Answer is 1 by 6. Answer is 1 by 6. Yes, the cost of 1 penny is rupees 1 by 6. Okay. Now do sixth one. Do sixth one. Do sixth one. The answer is 1 by 6. Chalo, do sixth one. minus 8 by 3. They are rational number, my dear. Minus 8 by 3, minus 8 upon 3 into 12 upon minus 4 into minus 3 upon 5. So they are rational number. So how we multiply rational number? Multiply numerator to numerator, minus 8 into 12 into minus 3, divide, multiply numerator, numerator, numerator upon denominator, 3 into minus 4 into 5. Now you cancel the terms of numerator with denominator. So 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. Then 4 get cancelled, 4 ones are 4. Okay. Okay. So what is left? Tell me what is left. Minus 8 into minus 3 upon 1 into minus 1 into 5. Then 1 minus sign also get cancelled, no? What is left? 8 into minus 3, minus 24 upon 5. Answer is minus 24 upon 5. Okay? Answer is minus 24 upon 5. Yes, understood this? Answer is minus 24 upon 5.